Hi there, you want to know where is here? This is southwest of Germany, Black Forest. I'm just going along the river. I have no idea which river name is. There are a lot of rivers here, and this way is very tiny way to take care. I'm falling down. It's almost about 2:30 p.m. Central European time. We have fortunately good weather. Temperature is above 8 degrees and over centigrade. And here is a little bit cooler because of trees. Because outside under the sun is good. I have to take care here, as you see. It could be dangerous. Alright, it has passed, that's good. And I continue moving more. Let's look at